As part of the centenary celebration of the Northeast India Selection Order of Priesthood, the relic of Don Bosco's left hand that arrived in Shillong yesterday will be publicly displayed for a month from the 1st to the 30th of October 2022 at the Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. Speaking about the event, the Provincial of Shillong Province, Father Paul Olfindro Lincott, said that to be able to receive Don Bosco's relic in Shillong is a blessing to the faithful in the entire northeastern region of India. The Provincial also informed that the Rector Major of the Celestian Order, Father Angel Fernandez Arteme, will also be present from the 27th to 30th of October 2022. At the same time, he informed of the participation of the Apostolic Nuncio, Archbishop Leopold Garelli, on the 29th and 30th of October 2022. In the meantime, Father Olfindro Paul Lincott has appealed to all faithfuls to join the congregation and be blessed by the intercession of Saint Don Bosco for each one of them.
Kini kesenap Don Bosco kelawan Shane Sha India bakrapange saya gedong sedih dan bunyi bat lawan ra haus nam arja katsan bat labu kain asora kai bunyi asora kini Kristen John Raja versus dalam ukor paris bijau asora kelapan yang bahalo narum bat Rector Major Father Pascal Chavez ukor ula sya kai ai kawan ra ya kini sya kini gadong sedih kami kini ai kau tam kamu mengi layo ya kini snap Don Bosco Don Bosco kedan di kadian kawa kawe de kunda di Don Bosco kedan hani kamet jogi bagini kini ai kau tam kawa mu dan ringkat bani kemudian sim ju dok senang ju si kesel ju kadang ringkat bagi kini kadang saya kami jadi nak kata kini kecil ku bayi bahai kerpang ini nado tu kapor bah do mutan ni kerpang ni kebambangi lawan ra ya kini kesnap gara hoi nasora bandon hani Don Bosco Technical School kekuakan bau pait ba jong kini kadang saya kami kerpang ini kini pa jong ke Shillong ini kini kasih penar baru kinwan kan banyak kendo Yahudi bandar ringkat Don Bosco hadu mata orang le kampla astlak pertai orang le kampla ru hak jingim jungi ibai ibai te jing wan jong Rector Major jong iru fa Angel Fernandez Arteme bansawan do ka arpinyo toring hadu kalai ko toring unsa no ringkat hangni kani ga jingdon jongani kasna hangni Don Bosco ko bombo uru unsa no ringkat bani hak bisi ringkat bagi kon sama jang kada bisa dilami kian sawanlang nadu arpinyo toring hadu kalai ko toring makumju ko maskotunar esusu ba Archbishop Leopold Garelli jong de nuncio jong India kawa mauru unsa don ringkat bani nadu ka arpunda lai ko kejingdon jenguru kerpangai kedai kata kejing ai ka khautam ya ka balang ka bau Don Bosco ai kerpangai ya ka balang ba ka balang kai ka khot ko ya ki khu jong Don Bosco banwan cheni ka dong sete kami ban kai na ka benda ka balang na ka benda ki khu sama nadu ka khalai tarik kulaling kot sia ja kendai spa arwa bat mentau snam arja arwa kali hidap sispa snam ikam pula ke ba ublei bale kerpang ini dingba ke jinga salam jong kamaria testi wa komjur aka jing don kat Don Bosco pi komno kapalang playar harme dong sete demi